To run a Laravel project, I use the command PHP artisan serve. This command starts a local development server for Laravel. After running it, the application is available in the browser at localhost 8000. In my Laravel application, I set the login page as the default page. When users access the website, they are redirected to the login page first.
I configure MySQL in the Laravel environment file, connect to the projects_db database, and run migrations to create the required tables. When I run PHP artisan migrate, Laravel detects that the database does not exist. It asks for confirmation to create the database automatically. I select yes, and Laravel creates the database and runs all migrations successfully. After the migration runs successfully, I check the database to confirm that all tables have been created correctly. The registration form has 4 fields: name, email, password, and confirm password to ensure the user enters the correct password twice. When the user submits the form, the application validates the input to make sure all fields are filled correctly and the passwords match. If everything is valid, the new user account is created and saved securely in the database. After that, the user can log in with their credentials. Upon successful login, the system redirects the user to the dashboard, where they can access the main features of the application. On this page, users can view a list of all their projects with key details such as project name, status, and deadlines. It provides an overview to help users track progress and quickly access project information. The dashboard is designed to be user-friendly and responsive, allowing users to efficiently manage their projects from one place. This is the Apps Projects List page, which acts as a comprehensive project management dashboard. It lists all projects with important details such as project name, client, status, assigned team members, budget, and deadline. Users can easily search, filter, and sort projects to quickly find what they need. The interface includes interactive elements like action buttons for editing or viewing project details. Designed with a clean and responsive layout, it ensures a smooth user experience across devices. This is the apps/projects/overview page, which provides a detailed summary of a single project. It displays key information such as project progress, team members, deadlines, budget, and recent activity. Users can track milestones, view task statuses, and monitor overall project health from this dashboard. The page is designed to give a quick yet comprehensive overview, helping teams stay on top of their work. With its clean layout and interactive charts, it makes project management more intuitive and efficient. This is the apps/projects/create page where users can create a new project. The form allows users to enter project details such as project name, description, client, start and end dates, budget, and assign team members. After filling in the required information, users can submit the form to create the project. Once created, the project will appear in the projects list and can be managed from the dashboard. This page helps streamline the project creation process in a simple and organized way. This is the Apps Tasks Kanban page, which displays tasks using a Kanban board layout. Tasks are organized into columns such as To Do, In Progress, and Completed, making it easy to track workflow. Users can drag and drop tasks between columns to update their status in real time. Each task card shows key information like task title, priority, and assigned members. This visual approach helps teams manage tasks efficiently and monitor progress at a glance. This is the Apps Tasks List View page, which displays tasks in a list format. Each task is shown with details such as task name, status, priority, due date, and assigned users. Users can easily search, filter, and sort tasks to manage their work efficiently. This view is ideal for tracking tasks in a structured and organized way. It provides a clean and practical overview of all tasks in one place. This is the Apps Tasks Details page, which shows detailed information about a specific task. It includes task description, status, priority, due date, and assigned team members. Users can view comments, attachments, and task activity to stay updated. This page helps users manage individual tasks more effectively and collaborate with the team. It provides a focused view for tracking task progress and updates. This is the Page's profile page, which displays the user's profile information. It shows personal details such as profile photo, name, role, and contact information. Users can view activity history, skills, and related statistics on this page. The profile page also allows users to edit their personal information and update settings. It is designed with a clean and responsive layout to provide a complete user profile experience. In Laravel, routes define how the application responds to user requests. They map a URL to a specific controller or function. Routes are usually defined in the web.php file for web pages and api.php for APIs. Using routes helps organize the application and control access to different pages. Middleware can also be applied to routes for authentication and security. In Laravel, the Views folder contains the application's user interface. It holds Blade template files that define what users see in the browser. These views are used to display pages like login, dashboard, profile, and other screens. Using Blade templates helps keep the design clean and reusable. The Views folder plays an important role in separating the front end from back-end logic. In Laravel, the public folder is the root directory that is accessible by the browser. It contains public assets such as CSS, JavaScript, images, and icons. This folder also includes the index.php file, which is the entry point of the application. Keeping assets in the public folder ensures they can be loaded securely and efficiently by the browser. In Laravel, database migrations are used to manage and version the database structure. They allow developers to create and modify database tables using code instead of manual SQL. By running migration commands, Laravel automatically creates or updates tables in the database. This makes database changes consistent, trackable, and easy to manage across environments. In Laravel, controllers handle the application's business logic. They receive requests from routes, process data, and return responses, such as views or JSON. Using controllers helps keep the code organized and maintainable. Each controller is responsible for a specific feature or module in the application. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Feel free to leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. See you in the next video.